Welcome to section 3 of my online rock and roll drumming 101 course. In this section, I'm going to show you some basic 4/4 rock and roll drum beats. So I'm going to show you some quarter note beats, eighth note beats, and 16th note beats. So pay attention closely and you might learn something. So we'll get started with some quarter note beats here. So the first one is your basic rock and roll beat. It's your basic drum beat actually too. So it's going to be your kick drum on the 1 and the 3, your snare on the 2 and the 4, and your hi-hat on all the quarter notes, the 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to get this started right here for you. Okay, the second quarter notes beat is similar, except the kick drum is going to be doubled up on the second time around. So here we go. Okay, the third and final quarter notes beat, the kick drum is going to be doubled on both times. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to move on to eighth notes beats. So the first eighth notes beat, your hi-hat is going to be doing the eighth notes, obviously 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Your snare is going to be on the 2 and the 4, and your kick is going to be on the 1 and the 3. So here we go. Okay, the second beat, the kick drum is going to be doubled up on the second time around. So here we go. Okay, your third and last eighth notes beat that I'm going to show you, the kick drum is doubled up on both times around. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now we're going to do 16th note beats. So these are a little bit more complicated because obviously the quarter notes 1, 2, 3, 4, eighth notes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. These are the 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So you're actually playing your hi-hat with both hands. So these are a little bit more tricky. So watch these closely and pay attention to what I'm doing. So the first one, once again, snare on the 2 and the 4, kick drum on the 1 and the 3. And the hi-hats are going to be doing 16th notes. So pay attention and watch closely. Okay, so the second beat, the kick drum is going to double up on the second time around. So watch this. Okay, and the third and final 16th note beat, the kick drum is doubled up both times. Okay. Okay, so there you go. There's quarter note, eighth note, 16th note, basic rock and roll beats. And just for your information, the eighth notes and quarter notes beats can also be played on the ride cymbal. So rewind this video, watch it over as many times as you can, practice what I showed you, and I'm confident that you will be able to play some rock beats.